Another tip for you today, upgrade your low-carb baking skills with baking with yeast. Alright, so we have two types of yeast, active yeast and the instant dry yeast. And for newbies, for beginners, ang maganda is you can already use instant dry yeast without proofing. You don't need a sugar or an inulin to proof the yeast. Just apply directly to your dry ingredients and the results, even with our low-carb breads, are the same. They will be tender, they will be soft, and yet it mimics, no? Yung talagang it mimics the regular bread. Alright? So upgrade your skills, learn how to bake with yeast in low-carb baking. Till next time, enjoy!